Hey, did you know that Inriver have a visual workflow builder inside the PIM, helping teams to easily design repeatable product workflows visually? This gives the business more control and a better overview on how the work flows and how it gets done. Let me show you how this works. Start with a blank canvas. Then drag in the building blocks of your workflow. Triggers, user assignments, decision switches, entity automations, and Inspire AI agents. It's easy to drag and drop and visually link the flow together. Here we open a pre-configured industrial D2C launch workflow that triggers a new process, checks whether a marketing description exists, generates or enhances content, then routes products forward automatically. Each step is visible, easy to adjust, and connected in one governed workflow that teams can activate in minutes. I hope this was helpful, and please send us a note or visit inriver.com for more information on this visual workflow builder or how we further have embedded the latest innovations directly into our PIM to help you accelerate your product content without compromising control. Thank you for watching.